Hello guys, welcome to another simple tutorial video on my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can unblock someone on your Facebook. If you want to unblock someone that you blocked previously on Facebook, this is the video, and I will show you the step-by-step process. So see my video carefully. First of all, go to your Facebook profile, and for the sake of this video I'm going to block someone from this account. Just click that person, click those three dots, and you can see the block option. Just block them, and so the person is blocking right now and is blocked. So to unblock that person, all you have to do is select those three lines on top of your right and scroll down. You can see the option settings and privacy. Click that option, and you can see the option now settings. Just click that option and scroll down a little bit. Here you can see the option blocking. All you have to do is click that option, and as you can see, this is the person that I blocked recently. To unblock it, all you have to do is simply click that profile, and you can see the option unblock. Just click that option unblock, and now that person is unblocked from your Facebook profile. As you can see, this is the person I blocked, and this is now the person is unblocked also. So this is the video. I hope this video helps you in any way. If this video helps you, consider subscribing to my channel, and until then, take care.